In this video, I'm going to talk about taxes when hiring people in Denmark. Denmark is known for having one of the highest level of taxation in the world, which supports its extensive welfare system and ensures a high standard of living. When employing people in Denmark, both the employer and the employee are responsible for paying various contributions and taxes. Payroll management is usually handled by an accountant, who, based on the employer's CPR and residential address, can estimate the total cost of employment for a given net salary and issue a payslip with a salary software. Social security contributions in Denmark are relatively low compared to other European Union countries. Employees contribute an 8% of labor market tax, deducted directly from their gross salary and paid into the Danish social security system. Income tax, on the other hand, in Denmark is progressive and includes several components. The first one is state tax, when progressive rates are depending on the income levels. The second one are municipal taxes. The rate of them depends on the municipality where the employee lives. And the third one is a church tax. It's optional, depending on the membership in the church. In summary, employees pay both municipal and state taxes. Depending on the employee's residence and various other factors, the total income rate can be from 37% to 52%. Unlike many other countries, employers in Denmark do not bear high costs for mandatory social security contributions for employees. There are no compulsory employer-paid pension or health insurance contributions. However, in many industries, collective agreements require employees to contribute to supplementary pension or health insurance schemes for employees. Mandatory contributions include ATP, which is a labor market supplementary pension fund, and in this case the employer's share is 2/3 of the total contribution. To give you an example, for a full-time employee, this is approximately 189 Danish crowns in 2014 per quarter, so it's 63 Danish crowns per month. Every employer in Denmark must provide workers' compensation insurance to protect employees in case of workplace accidents. And the cost of this varies by the industry and the occupational risk. Usually, the low-risk industries, for example office work or remote work, will pay from 500 to 1,500 annually per employee. However, in case of high-risk industries, for example construction industry, the insurance can cost as much as several thousand Danish crowns per year per employee. Also, employers are required to set aside funds for employees' holiday pay, which is 12.5% of the employee's gross salary paid on a monthly basis. This money is sent to the ferie fund, and then the employee, when it wants to go to the leave, asks the ferie fund to pay out this amount of money as a feriepenge. To sum up, the Danish tax and contribution system features relatively low mandatory employer contributions for social security. They are very high on the employee's side, but not very high on the employer's side. However, depending on the industry and applicable collective agreements, employers may face additional costs associated with employee benefits. It is therefore important to know the relevant regulations and the industry agreement before making employment decisions in Denmark. If you're hiring an employee in Denmark and need support in accounting, feel free to get in touch with us.